Angel alert! With recent market shifts and closures of some reverse mortgage companies, SunWest remains over 40 years strong and a longstanding leader in reverse mortgage lending. We're here for you and for your borrowers. At SunWest, we understand how important it is to meet your clients' expectations. So why not exceed them by closing their reverse loan fast? Go to hecom.swmc.com for all the information you'll need to use our simple tools, submit your reverse mortgage loans for immediate approval, and make your originations fast. If you'd like to learn more about reverse mortgage loans and why they're so popular in today's market, join us on Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific for a live anonymous webinar. Go to hecom.swmc.com for more information. See you Friday.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. Things are looking up for the mortgage market this year. The MBA reported today that mortgage applications shot up nearly 28% last week. But we'll get back to that in a second. Last week, we caught up with seasoned originators at the New England Mortgage Expo who are excited about 2023 and what it means for business. Our own Katie Jensen caught up with Chris Burns of Rocket Pro TPO on his predictions for the new year. Let's see what he had to say.
And I think we're starting to see some offers get accepted and not be as competitive. So it's helping out a lot of people get into their first home.
This year may not be as gloomy as some believe. We caught up with Chris Burns, Divisional Vice President of Rocket Pro TPO at the New England Mortgage Expo. He says even though loan officers and mortgage companies are nervous about the looming recession, it will create more opportunities for first-time home buyers.
And I think those that make it through this market recession again will see a lot of success like we did in 08, 09, and 2010.
In an interview with CNN, Rocket CEO Jay Farner said the current market is neither in favor of buyers or sellers. So these first-time homebuyers won't be calling you this week. Burns says loan officers and brokers should use the free time they have now to focus on marketing and building relationships with new referral partners.
I think some of the realtor networking events and opportunities are there, coming to these conferences. The Originator Connect is a huge opportunity to network, not only with lenders, but other partners and referral partners.
With the rollout of Purchase Plus, Rocket Rewards, and other programs, Rocket's main focus this year is on affordability. That should help brokers and loan officers attract more first-timers. Burns says to focus on home price as well as low down payment and closing costs, then fix the rate later.
Rates historically will come back down. Let's get you into a home that's affordable for you as well. Maybe stretches a little bit out there, but let's stay in touch so that we can follow up and get that refinance and lower that monthly payment.
In the meantime, Burns says everyone will need to hunker down and stay mentally tough. The attendees at last week's conference are certainly demonstrating that strength, he says.
And I think there's some fear, but I think as a group, everybody's moving in the right direction. So they all are looking for opportunities. They all want to grow.
For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Katie Jensen.
Thanks, Katie. There's a reason for optimism based on the MBA's latest mortgage application numbers. Last week's applications jumped by nearly 28%. That's on a seasonally adjusted basis. On an unadjusted basis, they jumped 32% for the purchase market. The refinance index was also up 34% from the previous week. While mortgage applications rebounded strongly, the refinance index is still down 81% from this time last year, when rates were still around 3%. As of last week, rates were still around 6.3%, but industry experts expect them to continue to fall in the second half of the year. It goes without saying that the last 2 years have been tough, especially for first-time home buyers. But a recent survey found 80% of buyers have no regrets. A LendingTree survey found that 90% of baby boomers, regardless of when they bought their home, are more likely to report no regrets, versus 80% of Gen Zers and Gen Xers. Homebuyers in the past 2 years are more than 5 times as likely to have paid over listing price than those who purchased their home more than 5 years ago. Homebuyers did say they experienced problems with appraisals. The survey found of those who bought their home in the past 2 years, 22% said they had issues getting a mortgage because of appraisal values, and 27% of people were willing to take the plunge and buy their house sight unseen. Coming up, after 12 months of straight decline, builder confidence is receiving a boost. Stay tuned to find out why.
Morgan of SunWest Mortgage is here to change the world of loan originations forever. From sending updates to your clients to allowing you more time, you can do it all in a simple chat. You no longer have to struggle with documents. All you need to do is select the files and upload them, and they're submitted in an instant along with your loan file. With SunWest, your true home is always within.
After a year of pessimism, it looks like things are starting to look up for home builders. Builder confidence increased 4 points to 35 today, which may signal positive changes for the market. The National Association of Home Builders chief economist Robert Dietz says that they expect single-family starts to be low compared to last year, but a downshift in mortgage rates could boost housing affordability. That's music to any loan originator's ears because things have been tough out there, but you worked hard. Mortgage Woman magazine is looking to recognize top-producing female loan originators and brokers who have been able to adapt and succeed despite the volatile and ever-changing mortgage market. Nominations are open to all women in the mortgage industry who are actively licensed and have a minimum of $50 million in loan volume, or 50 total units. To apply, go to nmplink/MWM Leading LOs. Nominations will be open until January 20th. We'll be right back with what else is interesting.
I had to watch him go from so capable to a different person altogether, and it was really hard. We're hoping that this message gets to veterans out there who are in similar struggles. That's how fast SunWest worked. It was truly amazing. It makes me very happy to know that there's a company out there that cares so much, that they go through so much to help, because we never expected this. Never.
SunWest understands that your success is built one family at a time. Visit sunwestpartners.com.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. BMO Financial Group says that as of today, residential mortgage refis are now fully digital in eligible states. The group is collaborating with Blend, a digital mortgage solutions company, to take advantage of their all-digital closing product. BMO says that this move is a first step in making the mortgage experience speedy and convenient. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.